Good evening, ma'am.
A very good evening, Eklavya. How are you?
Ma'am, I'm fine.
How's going your study?
My studies are going fine.
So, tell me about something yourself.
Ma'am, my company name is Ekleva Sharma. I study in class 9 of Doon International School, Divsai campus, and I live in Dehradun, which is the capital of Uttarakhand. I only live in Dehradun because of my studies. My hobbies are to read, to draw, and to learn something new every day.
Something every day.
Yes, ma'am.
For example,
For example, I learn to learn about new facts. Sometimes catch up with the world, if it's possible.
so what you do something new today?
I learned about Silicon Valley and more about the companies that are present in Silicon Valley, and also about like the sudden outbursts of AI in today's world and how it's making a huge impact in it.
Okay. Eklavya, what is your dream in future?
Mom, I want to become a scientist.
How
I want to become like an astronomer.
and what you have to do for becoming astrologer?
A lot of hard work.
What is astrologer?
Astronomer is a person who studies space and discover about planets and stars, and it could also be called cosmology.
Okay. What is the cosmology?
Cosmology is basically the studies of the cosmos, the study of the universe, and about everything inside the universe. So I want to become an astronomer or a cosmologist. Basically the same thing.
Okay. Tell me what do you know about purification and the
Classification of
characterizations of
elements.
the organic compounds?
Ma'am, in this chapter we study about how like we classify, we purify compounds, and we qualitative and quantitative analysis of compounds. So let's talk about purification. There are six main methods of purification: sublimation, distillation, differentiation, extraction, and chromatography. Five main methods. Sublimation is basically like a solid changes directly into vapor without undergoing the liquid state. For example, purification of iodine, kapoor, naphthalene balls, and many more examples. Have you ever noticed that whenever you burn a kapoor or like you place those like little naphthalene balls, they just disappear? They don't become like a liquid or anything; they just disappear. So yeah, that's sublimation. Now let's talk about crystallization. It is based on the difference of solubility of the compound and the impurities in a specific solvent. The impure compounds is placed in a solvent in which it is sparingly soluble at room temperature, but gets increasingly soluble